Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an image inside of Krita. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up Krita and then click onto File. Then from there we want to go ahead and choose the option to click onto Open. So click on Open and then find that image you like to import into Krita. So say for example I want to add this one in, you can double click onto it. And then you can see it's now inside of Krita. Now, if you want to resize it, click on the little resize tool. So click onto that, and then we can make this smaller, like so. And if you want to move it around, we can do as well. So click on the little move tool and can move this around just like so. Now, as you've seen, this has opened up in a new tab here. So if, say, for example, I want to add this image to this tab, what we can do is click on the image, click on Control C on your keyboard, come back to this tab, click on Control V, and then again, we can move this image. So we can go ahead and resize it, make it a bit bigger if you want, like so. We can move it around